I think I love you too much. It's a weight, a darkness that pulls at the core of my being. Like a shadow, it's inseparable from me, moving as I move, breathing as I breathe. In this love, I find a quiet despair, an echo of something profound yet unsettling. It's not the love that poets glorify or songs celebrate. It's a love that consumes, burns, and leaves nothing but ashes of what once was. I fear this love, for it is not just an emotion, but a relentless force that reshapes my very existence. To love you too much is to lose myself in the abyss of you, to dissolve into the darkness that your absence creates. In this love, there is no solace, only an unending thirst that no affection can quench. Each day, I wrestle with the paradox of wanting you closer, yet fearing the engulfing tide of my own emotions. To love you too much is a curse, a beautiful, tragic curse that I bear silently. For in this love, I am both the prisoner and the jailer, locked away by my own heart's unyielding grip.